Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Mini Kit Mondays. So here is the dealio. I have only 2 full-size sheets left of this pattern paper. I mean, it's fine. This is my last layout for the month, so that's fine. I get that. I'm trying to come in just a little bit more. So I have to figure out which one gets to be sacrificed today. This is not easy. No, not that one. Kind of like this, although I already used this and it doesn't really do anything for the photo. Now, my son's not really a big rainbow kind of guy. It's not what I would associate with him. But I have to also look at which die cuts I have left. And I have some of these cute little Drinky Poo ones. And I'd like to bring them in. I mean, just because they're adorable. Let's see. See, there's a couple Drinky Poo ones. So that's kind of fun. He actually doesn't drink, but you know, for all we know, that's like a smoothie. Oh, and here's another one. So we are full of cute little tropical drinks and whatnot. Pineapple would really work with that too, the word love. So yes, like always, I like to just go through and see if is there anything that would work in the goodies I have on hand. I know I want to use the drinks, so I'm going to definitely have them going. Let's see. Sunglasses work. He's wearing sunnies. Our adventure does not work only because his girlfriend is not in the picture. Ice cream, no. I have 2 rainbows. Oh, and I do like all the fruits. Not bad. We are going through these die cuts rather quickly. All right, so, and it's not summer. It's actually in, when were these taken? Late March? Late March. So, definitely not summer. All right, so I'm going to get this, oh my goodness, little swimmy out of the way. And then I do have a nice, very small selection of floral bits left. So I'm going to have them. Now let's see what I have for large scraps. So I have the yellow. I don't really dig how busy that looks per se. Am I going to have to use the blue? I might have to just because there's so much going on. So maybe I'll use the blue and have, wait, let me see how big this is. Oh, that's like an insert kind of a piece. Okay. So I could use the blue to matte, gut it, use it for the photo, and go from there. I think that's what we're going to have to do because I only have 1 full-size sheet anyway. Then I will, let's see. I also have some of these left, some of these left. So I do have bits and pieces. Like I have some halfway decent size scraps. So I am going to trim my photo, gut my teal piece of paper, mat my photo if I have any pieces big enough, all that kind of stuff, get a little bit better idea of what I'm doing, and I'll be back in a minute. All right, so let's do a check-in. I just kind of went off and got so much of this done. I'm looking to see if I have another piece of that teal color paper. Let's see. Oh, yes, to do a little something here, maybe with a little tiny banner. Just kind of working along, see what scraps I have. And sometimes I find that when I'm working with mostly scraps, it can be rather freeing in that, like, you know, I'm not conserving anything anymore. Like I said, this is my last layout for Mini Kit Monday, even with this set of fun stuff. See, the only thing I don't like is the turquoise meeting up against the turquoise with that. Ugh. But I want the rainbow to be able to really show over here. So I'm going to just go like that. And we'll come up with something as we go. I don't know. Not a big deal. I had to reprint my photo because I got adhesive all over it. So it looked kind of awful. I'll be popping that up on a little bit of foam. Not a big deal. And then I thought I could also come in with these puffy rainbows. Maybe I'll keep that one flat and then put a puffy on top of it when it comes time for that little bit of dimension. Yeah, I'll put the puffy going that way. All right, so that will work. So everything so far is down flat on this page. Now, we talked about the Drinky Poos for my son. And it's not, see, normally I would want this one popped up and this one behind it. I just don't want to lose my cute little lime, because you know that's a huge tragedy to lose your lime. So maybe I can go like that and I'll just pop this one up. This one's better because I won't have like weird white space. All right, we're just gonna go do it like that. We'll do it like that. I'm gonna pop these two up. It'll be cute. There's little tropical drinks. I have something I can use them on. And then that repeats here as well. So we'll see what I can get on there. I need to come up with a title kind of soon, like fairly soon. I need a title. So I'm going to work on that. I'm going to pop up my little goodies. I also have to see which ones of these little clear bits I can get in here, because yeah, I mean, doing a pretty good job with it, but I want to keep using them. So I'm going to keep working and I'll be back in a minute when I have a little bit more traction. So, oh my goodness, this layout kind of kept growing and I still don't even have a title. Just thought I'd let you know. Just the way it's going. And yeah, I have room for a nice little title right here. Oh, there's some adhesive. Yeah, so I have to just put a nice little title right here before all is lost. This is not that dramatic. Maybe some of these great little words that I have here. I did end up bringing in some of my Scrap and Happy Studio flair because they're adorable. I have one here, here, and here. The colors matched. I recently got these. They have their own little bin in my craft room, so they get to feel special. So I thought I would bring them in. I'm just smitten with them. So they came in, and it's this pack that had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little cute flowers. So I have them sprinkled around as well. So I'm going to keep going. I thought I'd let you know that somehow I just kept adding and adding and adding flowers. I have the clear sticker bits. I have foam leaf bits. I have a little foam drinky poo over here. So yeah, this has popped up, this has popped up, and this has popped up. So I have some dimension. I've got some shine from my clear stickers and my little acrylic flare. I think I need to attach that down just a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is get a title on. I am going to get some of my pink pearly bits on and some of these letters. Now I'll come back and show you the finished layout. I don't think I'm hitting this one with mist since there is a ton going on. Be back in a minute. Hey guys, I just finished up and I thought I'd show you what I have going on. I used the pink pearly bits for my floral centers. I had to move this little Scrap and Happy Studio flare up here because my title ran just a little bit long right into where the flare was. Not a big deal. I used some of these wordy sentiments in a few different places to help tell the story of the journaling, which was pretty much he was just chilling in Florida with some kind of a cold drink. I don't know what it was, don't care, but he looks very, very cute and the picture makes me happy. Yes, that's a snoring bulldog behind me back there. I do not have any pieces bigger than this of pattern paper left for this collection, so I'll consider the paper part killed off. I do have some stickers left, and I have some puffy bits left. I have some puffy bits left, and then my die cuts are looking rather scanty, but it's enough to still play along with and use in whatever summer layouts I will have, or you know, summer-ish. I just have to come up with some more backgrounds. So that is it for this month. I can't wait to see what we have on tap for May because I don't know what the inspiration is yet. I will have links down below for the other Mini Kit Monday creators. And yeah, that's what I've got. If you have questions, comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. That's it for now, friends. Bye-bye.